The rules for the game state that you have only 90 seconds to control your robot, and then your robot must stop responding to commands or face disqualification. Your program does not currently enforce this rule, and so your robot is not yet tournament legal. Let's fix that. In this lesson, you will learn how timers differ from the simple wait 1 MSEC commands and how Robot C handles them. It seems that since we already know how to use the wait 1 MSEC command to make the robot go forward or turn for a certain amount of time, we should be able to make the robot do any other behavior for a length of time. Well, wait 1 MSEC does not mean continue the last behavior for this many milliseconds. Rather, it means stay here in the program for this many milliseconds. Remotely controlling the robot requires continually updating the motors to new joystick values, so staying at one part in the program isn't an option. Timers, however, keep track of time while other code is running. Your robot is equipped with 4 timers, T1 through T4, which you can think of as time sensors, or if you prefer, stopwatches. Using the timers is straightforward. You reset a timer with a clear timer command, and it immediately starts counting time. Then, when you want to find out how long it's been since then, you just use the time1 timer name command. This phrase gives you the value of the timer in the same way that the vexrt channel number command gives you the value of a joystick or button input. The time1 timer name command gives you the amount of time since the last reset, in milliseconds. To make a loop run for 90 seconds, your code might look like this. You reset the timer, in this case we pick T1 to start counting. Then, you access the elapsed time using time1 T1. In this condition, we check to see whether the timer value is less than 90,000 milliseconds. This will be true, and the loop will continue as long as fewer than 90,000 milliseconds have passed. At the 90-second mark, the condition becomes false and the loop ends. In this lesson, you learned how timers differ from the wait 1 MSEC command and how to use them in Robot C. Move on to the next lesson to implement a timer in your program.